Hi everyone, let's unbox the Amazon Basics. This is their 1-port USA wall charger. So check this out. I did get it in a pack of 2, and these only have 1 port, as I'm going to show you here on the back. But don't worry, if you need more, Amazon has got you back. So they do have some that are dual ports or even 4 ports, and they're just super simple and amazing. I really like how quickly they charge things, and I did get it in the color white, but they also have black if that's what you're interested in. I love when I have to put this away and I can do so without the little prongs sticking out. It makes it so much messier when I have the prongs sticking out, so making sure I can stick them back in is a big plus for me. When you're throwing this in the drawer, nothing is going to happen to them. I definitely recommend this. It is incredible. I did get a pack of 2. Again, I really need to charge so many things around the house, but you can get just a pack of 1 if that's what you need. Go check these out on Amazon. They're definitely worth it.